So, what's up? What's good? It's me, your boy, Young Jay. I decided to upload this video as a raw video dahil gusto ko i-share ang nangyari sa akin, kabubuhan na nangyari sa akin. I'm gonna be talking about the new enhanced feature ni GCash they call Account Secure. Siguro at the end of this video, medyo mabibitin kayo kasi wala pang resolution to. But, ito na nga, yung concern ko dito is kasi ganito nangyari. Sabi dito, GCash is implementing a new enhanced security feature called Account Secure. This feature is currently on a limited release starting December 1 and is coming soon for all users. So, ibig sabihin yan, hindi lahat ng mga GCash users na-experience na nila to. And apparently, isa ako sa mga naka-experience na nito. Last night, apparently, when I tried to access the GCash app, it asked me to register the phone where I'm gonna be using the GCash app. I have two phones, two Android phones. Yung isa luma, medyo sira-sira na. Yung pinaka-newer one, syempre, dun ko ni-register. Kasi sabi dito, you can only have one registered phone to your GCash account at a time. Bullshit. But anyways, yun na nga. Dini-register ko yun. Siyempre, kwentuhan ko kayo. Dini-register ko yung phone ko. Kagabi lang nangyari. This just happened last night. So, after successfully registering the phone, unfortunate event, siguro mga around madaling araw, dumulas yung phone sa kamay ko and plakda siya, tumama sa kanto ng table ko kung nasan tong phone na to, laptop and shit. E di yun na nga, tumama dun sa kanto. So, akala ko nga nabasag yung screen kaso hindi naman. Pag-check ko, maganda yung screen ng Samsung kasi matibay, nakakailang bagsak na yan actually. And akala ko nabasag yung screen pero hindi. So, when I lift up my phone, I checked it. It had a black screen. But then I tried to do a force reboot and vibration. So, ibig sabihin, buhay yun. It's just that yung mismong screen hindi nag-on. The screen is dead. I reached out to FB. I was looking for, a repair center or mga tao marunong gumawa na legit, yung mga hindi mga durugas or whatever shit. My old high school friend reached out to me. Yung kapitbahay daw niya gumagawa ng mga phone, cameras and shit. So, dinala ko dun. Shoutout nga pala dun sa kaibigan kong yan, JP. What's up, bro? So, yun na nga, dinala ko dun. Sabi, baka ang tama niya is yung LCD. So, in-order pa niya dun sa supplier niya. Dumating. And then, sabi niya, trinay niya ikabit. Hindi, wala. And so, what's gonna happen is tomorrow, pupuntahan daw niya yung supplier niya kasi daw, sayang yung shipping shit. So, puntahan niya mismo. Baka daw, defective yung naipadalang LCD and I don't know, pero sabi if ever na hindi magawa it's the motherboard and shit. So let's go back to GCash. Yun yung hassle, yun lang. Alam nyo yung hindi ko naman it's okay naman sa akin kung hindi ko ma-retrieve yung videos, photos doon. Yung GCash lang talaga yung inaano ko doon kasi register ko lang talaga and hindi ko ma-register sa phone na to na ginagamit ko ngayon pang record to use it. Gamit na gamit ko kasi yung GCash, yung ibang features ko dito and I need to pay shit. So, yun yung hassle. Now, I tried reading dun sa mga forum na nakita ko sa Reddit and ayun, about unregistering the GCash on a damaged phone. So, iti-try natin yung suggestions dito. Wala pang resolution. So, sa mga curious dyan, yung mga kaka-register lang ng phone nila dyan sa GCash, sa isang phone, tapos namalas ka pa, na-damage yung phone, hindi mo ma-access para mag-unregister. Yun yung nangyayari sa akin ngayon. At i-update ko kayo sa susunod na video. Pagka may resolution na. So, hindi ko pa alam kung magagawa pa yung phone Still hoping, sana para wala ng hassle. Pero, if ever na hindi, itatry ko yung suggested steps na ginawa ng fellow Gcash user. Kasi ito ang pangit sa Gcash yung chat with GG, yung bot nila, walang kwenta. Sabi dito, I've sent your request to our team. Our goal is to get back to you as soon as possible. Tapos after nun, wala na. Hindi ko alam. They leave you hanging. May na-receive akong email ng transcript ng conversation with the chatbot, chat GG nga. So, hindi ko alam kung magagawa doon. Ngayon, trinay ko naman tawagan yung toll-free number dito. May toll-free number sila yung 2882. Pwede mo gamitin sa phone mo. Kaso, wala din, ganun. Walang kwenta kasi when you call the number, it will redirect you to chat with ChatGG, the chatbot. Kaya medyo fucked up talaga yung mga customer service dito sa Pinas. Kung i-compare mo, kasi I work as a customer service I've worked as a customer service para sa ibang bansa. Yan, mga US, Canada, Australia, and shit. Ngayon, tech support ako. Pero anyways, di yun na nga. Kung i-compare ko, napaka-fucked up ng customer service dito sa Pinas. Napakahirap mag-reach out. So, dito sa Gcash, going back to Gcash. So, yun na nga, yung toll-free number para matawagan mo dito sa mobile phone, walang kwenta kasi i-redirect ka rin dun sa chatbot. Pero bukas, tomorrow, during business hours, kasi oras na, alas 8 na ng gabi, it's 8 p.m. So, tomorrow, I'm gonna be trying the second suggestion that was given here on this forum in Reddit. Natawagan yung landline. Their landline is 0272139999. Oh, panis. Pero yun na nga, i-update ko kayo once, kasi siguro magawa man yung phone ko, hindi, I'm gonna have it unregistered. Pero alam mo, if you have any thoughts about it, you wanna comment about the Gcash new policy and shit, feel free to comment about it. Para sa akin, fucked up. Sana nag-stick na lang sila dun sa OTP. Alam mo yun, tangina, may OTP na nga Tapos, nice. May bago pang ganitong shit. Minsan mahirap talaga mag-adjust sa mga changes. Tapos yung changes, hindi pa siguro parang lang parang beta or parang hindi pa siya finalized kasi like this article says that this feature is a limited release and it's coming soon to all users. So not everyone is currently experiencing this account secure feature on their Gcash. At ayun, kaya yung iba akong friends, nung nakwento ko to, sabi nila, hindi, yung OTP lang, ganun. Kailangan. No, it's something new. Na kailangan mo i-register yung phone and shit. So, ayun lang. Gusto ko na i-share. Hindi ko alam kung matatag mo dito. Gusto ko lang i-vent out ko anong nangyari or basta kwento ko lang sa inyo. So, sa mga taong na nanonood pa rin hanggang ngayon, it's 10 minutes. Ayan. It's a proof na mga chismosa kayo. Hindi, charot lang. Hindi, ba you're experiencing the same thing as me. So, bibitinin ko muna kayo kasi napagpasyahan ko na mag-upload daw ng video. Kasi, yun, gusto ko lang i-share. Kasi, syempre, bad trip ako, nakakainis. Hassle, Gcash. Okay? Napaka-hassle naman nito. Pag-register ng one phone, how the hell are you gonna unregister the Gcash account when the phone, the original phone is fucking damaged? Sorry. Excuse my French. Excuse my language. Pero yun nga. Bad trip ako. Bakit? Gusto ko lang i-share. Yan. Yun. Kung na-experience nyo din to, comment na lang kayo. Or baka meron kayong resolution na mas madali. And, ayun. Huwag kayong pupunta sa Globe Centers kasi wala. It's a different field or line of business and shit. Wala silang kinalaman sa Gcash. Gcash has its own customer service and shit. And bukas natin ito try yun. Tatawagan ko yung landline after work. So, ayan. Yun lang. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig nyo. And comment your thoughts yan sa mga GCash users about sa account secure, yung bagong security feature na to. Siguro para sa akin, okay lang kung kunyari it's been stolen or, you know, kasi meron dito may option dito if it's stolen. Pwede mo i-report. Yun, yung phone na ni-register mo, you can report it as lost or stolen and shit. But I think ang gagawin nila dito is i-freeze nila yung GCash account mo. Complicated shit. But anyways, yun nga. Tignan natin kung anong mga susunod na kabanata. Anyways, maraming salamat sa pakikinig ulit. Thank you. And yun, I'm trying to have my YouTube active again. So I decided to upload this raw video and share my burden ang putik. Pero yun nga, yung experience ko about GCash account security. So ayun, again 13 minutes na. Thank you guys. Yun, peace out. Sana magawa yung phone ko para hindi wala ng hassle. Pero if ever not, yun, balitaan ko kayo yung sa susunod na video na kung anong dapat gawin dyan sa mga unregister or paano i-unregister yung GCash dun sa damage phone. Yun lang, peace out. Hey!